In this lesson, we're going to provide a quick review of cloud storage. Now, cloud storage technologies have become increasingly popular in recent years because they allow organizations to store and access large amounts of data in a cost-effective and scalable manner. These technologies can be broadly categorized into storage features, storage characteristics, storage types, software-defined storage, and content delivery networks. First, we have storage features, and this includes compression, deduplication, capacity on demand, and encryption. One of our key storage features is compression, and this is the process of reducing the size of a file or dataset in order to save storage space. Compression can be applied to various types of files, such as images, videos, and text documents, and this can all be done using various algorithms, such as zip and gzip. For example, a company that stores a lot of video files on a cloud storage service might use compression to help reduce the storage space required to hold all of those files. Another storage feature we have is deduplication. Deduplication is the process of removing duplicate copies of data and leaving only one unique instance for each file type. Now, this is typically done by comparing the contents of each file and eliminating any duplicates. An example of this would be an organization that has multiple copies of the same file, such as a backup of a database, and they're all being stored in different locations. By using deduplication, the organization can free up storage space and reduce the number of files that need to be stored on different servers and only having one copy of that database backup. Capacity on demand is our next feature, and capacity on demand is a feature that allows an organization to scale its storage capacity up or down as needed. This can be done by adding or removing storage capacity from a cloud service. For example, a company might experience a sudden increase in demand for its services, so they have to quickly increase their storage capacity by adding more storage to its cloud services too. Encryption is our next feature. Now, encryption is a feature that protects data stored on the cloud by encoding it and making it unreadable to unauthorized users. There are various encryption methods that could be used, including AES and RSA. A good example of this would be if your company stores customer data on a cloud storage service. They're going to want to use encryption to protect their customers' data from being accessed by any unauthorized users, and to do that, we will encrypt it using some kind of an algorithm like AES. Now, in addition to storage features, there's also different storage characteristics that you need to be aware of when you're trying to choose a cloud storage service provider. This includes performance and hot versus cold storage. Now, one of these characteristics is performance, and performance refers to the speed at which data can be read or written. Now, another characteristic is the distinction between hot storage and cold storage. Hot storage is storage that is frequently accessed and is optimized for high performance, while cold storage is storage that is infrequently accessed and is optimized for lower cost. There are also different types of storage that can be used in a cloud storage service, and this includes object storage, file storage, and block storage. Object storage is a type of storage that stores data as objects rather than as files or blocks. This allows for easy scalability and management of large amounts of data. Now, an example of this would be an organization that stores a large number of images and videos on a cloud storage service, and they want to use object storage like a bucket or a blob to store all of those things. Now, file storage is a type of storage that stores data as files, similar to how data is stored on a traditional file system. This allows for easy access and management of data and can be used for storing files such as documents and spreadsheets. An example of this would be if a company uses cloud storage to be able to store its documents and spreadsheets, and they want to store these each as files, therefore, they're going to use file storage to do that. Our third type of storage is block storage. Block storage is a type of storage that stores data as blocks, similar to how data is stored on a traditional hard disk drive. Now, this allows for higher performance storage and can be used for storing files such as databases and virtual machines. An example of this would be a company that might use cloud storage to store its databases and virtual machines, and they want to store all of that using block storage in order to keep all those files in one place. Now, the next thing we need to talk about is SDS, or software-defined storage. Software-defined storage is a type of cloud storage technology that allows for the virtualization of storage resources. This technology allows for the pooling of storage resources from multiple physical devices and allows for greater scalability and flexibility. Software-defined storage also provides users with the ability to manage their storage resources from a singular interface, and this allows for easier maintenance and management. An example of software-defined storage would be a cloud-based storage system that allows users to access their data from anywhere in the world. The next thing we need to discuss are content delivery networks. Now, a content delivery network, or CDN, is a type of cloud storage technology that provides users with the ability to store and access data from multiple locations around the world. Content delivery networks allow for faster delivery of content by caching data on multiple servers located in different regions around the globe. This helps to reduce the latency and improve your performance, and a great example of a content delivery network would be a cloud-based system that stores and distributes video content to users located around the world. So remember, cloud storage technologies are designed so that businesses and organizations can have the ability to store, manage, and access data from anywhere in the world. These technologies are broadly categorized into storage features, storage characteristics, storage types, software-defined storage, and content delivery networks.